वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल प्रोग्राम गुरु मंत्र शिक्षा का ग्रंथ. Alright, today we will study about the next genes of that belongs to segmentation genes. Right, we had already covered a section about gap genes. The next are pair rule genes and segment polarity genes. Alright, the next group of genes is pair rule genes. Right, we had studied about gap genes. Now the gap genes is activating what? The next set of genes that are pair rule genes. The protein product of gap genes activate the transcription of the pair rule genes. The things are going in a step by step manner. Right, one set of genes is activating the next set of genes. Right, and what's the main function of pair rule genes? It involves in the development of segmented embryo of the insect. Right, here you can see the two examples that are very much common for pair rule genes. First one is even skipped and second one is what? Fishy terrazzo. Right, you can see the color pattern. Even skipped shown somewhat in red color and the second one is somewhat in gray color. So they are in their precise location so that they can show the correct expression of these genes in future. Right, so the things are moving in a more precise things, definitions. Right, a correct definition is being given to the embryo. Alright, here are some examples of pair rule genes. However, there are many examples of pair rule genes, but these are some of most common examples. Even skipped, hairy, runt, fishy terrazzo, paired and odd pair. Right? And a defect in any of these genes results in missing pattern elements in alternate segments, and the final outcome will be what? That part, that organ will be missing from that segment. Right? अब क्वेश्चन जो है वो आपसे इस तरीके से नहीं पूछेगा कि आपको एग्जाम्पल उठा के दे दिया और आपको ये पहचानना है कि ये कौन से ग्रुप से बिलोंग करता है. नो, हाउएवर यू मस्ट रिमेंबर द एग्जाम्पल्स. आपको एग्जाम्पल्स याद रखने हैं, वो किस ग्रुप से बिलोंग करते हैं वो आपको याद रखना है, और तीसरी इंपॉर्टेंट बात, आपको उनका फंक्शन याद रखना है. राइट, द क्वेश्चन विल बी लाइक दैट कि आपको एक जीन उठाकर दे दिया है and the statement is like that this gene is not present in the embryo or mutated or overreacted, overactivated or missing, like that. Right, so what will be the ultimate consequences? What will be the resultant embryo? That you have to find out. Right, और वो चीज़ आप कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सबसे पहले तो आपको एग्जाम्पल याद होना चाहिए कि कौन से ग्रुप से बिलोंग कर रहा है, वेदर इट इज फ्रॉम द मैटरनल जीन्स और सेगमेंटेशन जीन्स और होम्योटिक जीन्स. राइट, सो सेकेंड थिंग, आप वहाँ तक पहुँच जाएंगे, आपको पता करना होगा, आपको याद रखना होगा व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन दैट ग्रुप इज डिराइविंग. राइट, एंड व्हाट इज द अल्टीमेट लोकेशन ऑफ दिस जीन, so that you can find out the ultimate consequences. कि अगर ये नहीं प्रेजेंट हुआ या मिसिंग है या म्यूटेटेड है तो एम्ब्रियो कैसा होगा? बिकॉज द जीन इज नॉट प्रेजेंट, सो हाउ द एक्सप्रेशन विल कम? दैट इज द मेन थिंग. राइट, सो डिफेक्ट इन एनी ऑफ दीज जीन्स विल रिजल्ट इन द मिसिंग पैटर्न. लाइक the defective even skip genes result in even numbered parasegment missing in the body segment of Drosophila larva. The parasegments, the segmentation will disturb, and अगर segment ही precisely locate नहीं हुआ then step wise जो next step होगा वहाँ से भी वो function जो है वो missing out हो जाएगा. Why? Because repeatedly I am telling you the things are interlinked. They are going in a stepwise manner. One set of genes is activating the another set of genes. Right, so you must remember the three things I told you, the examples, from which group those examples, those genes belongs to, what is the main function and location of those genes. Alright, here is a third set of genes that belongs to segmentation genes. and it is segment polarity genes. नाम से पता चल रहा है segment decide हो गए हैं, उनकी polarity decide करनी है, correct location, correct definition, precise segmentation decide करनी है. और इनको किसने एक्टिवेट किया? पेयर रूल जीन्स ने, राइट. पेयर रूल जीन्स को किसने एक्टिवेट किया? गैप जीन्स ने. गैप जीन्स को किसने एक्टिवेट किया? मैटरनल जीन्स ने, राइट. थिंग्स आर गोइंग इन अ stepwise manner. The pair rule genes activate the transcription of segment polarity genes. Now, the embryo will divide into well precise 14 segments with correct location and definition, right? Main function क्या है इन genes का? To decide the polarity within each para segment of the embryo, right? And also, according to the recent research, it has been found that these genes are also involved in development of central nervous system in Drosophila by determining the neuroblast identity, right. देखिए polarity decide होगी, right, from anterior to posterior, तभी वहाँ पर correct जो है उन segments को identity दी जा सकती है. Identity का मतलब समझ रहे हैं आप यहाँ पे? कौन से segment पर the legs will come, कौन से segment पर the antennas will come, कौन से segment पर the halter will come, right. Abdomen will be there, thorax will be there, like that. Many precise locations are there, right. Many body parts are there that are very much required in that organism. So the things will like go like this, right. पहले polarity decide, step by step जो है decide होना ज़रूरी है. Alright. अगर हम यहाँ पर examples की बात करें, then engrail and gooseberry are the two common examples of segment polarity genes that you must remember. Alright, here is the concise summarized form of the things we had studied so far. First one is maternal coordinate genes that will decide the polarity things, anterior, posterior, dorsal, ventral. Second one is the class of segmentation genes, that is further divided into three groups: gap genes, pair rule genes, and segment polarity genes, right. You can see the things are broad much enough, and then that is moving towards precision, right. concise और precise होती जा रही हैं चीज़ें, right. पहले boundaries decide हो रही हैं, तभी उसके according identities decide होंगी by another set of genes, that is homeotic selector genes, that we will study in our next video, right. One more thing I would like to request you, if before moving towards this video, please go through the previous videos once, right, so that you can understand the things in a better way, right. So जो भी चीज़ें मैंने कही हैं, please keep those things in your mind. Try to solve the previous year question papers and revise as much as you can. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching our video. To subscribe on our channel, please press the subscribe button given below the video. And for regular updates and notification, don't forget to press the bell icon. For more information query, do like my Facebook page and the link is given below. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care.